Your doors are more than entry points, they're your home's first line of defense. In Dallas, where neighborhoods range from quiet residential streets to busier urban areas, home security is a top priority for many families. If your current doors are outdated, worn, or poorly fitted, they may be compromising your safety without you realizing it. Replacing your doors isn't just a cosmetic upgrade. It's one of the most effective ways to strengthen your home's security and gain greater peace of mind. Stronger materials mean stronger protection. Many older homes in Dallas still have hollow core or aging wooden doors. Over time, exposure to Texas heat, humidity, and daily wear can weaken these materials. Warping, cracking, and soft spots reduce the door's ability to resist forced entry. Modern replacement doors are built with reinforced materials such as solid core fiberglass. Heavy-duty steel composite reinforced core steel doors offer exceptional resistance to impact, while fiberglass doors combine strength with resistance to warping in Dallas's hot climate. Both options provide a significantly stronger barrier than older door models. Reinforced door frames make a difference. A secure door is only as strong as the frame holding it in place. In many break-in attempts, the frame fails before the door itself. Professional door replacement includes reinforcing the door frame and anchoring it securely to the structural framing of your home. This may involve installing heavy-duty strike plates using longer, reinforced screws, strengthening jambs and thresholds. These upgrades make it much harder for intruders to force the door open. Advanced locking systems add extra security. Older doors often rely on a single deadbolt. While helpful, a single locking point concentrates pressure in one area. Modern replacement doors often include multi-point locking systems. These systems secure the door at multiple locations along the frame, typically at the top, center, and bottom. This distributes force evenly and significantly increases resistance to forced entry. For Dallas homeowners seeking enhanced security, this feature adds an important layer of protection. Impact-resistant and reinforced glass options. If your door includes decorative glass panels or sidelights, choosing impact-resistant or laminated glass is crucial. Laminated glass contains a durable interlayer that holds the glass together even if struck. Instead of shattering, it remains intact, making it much more difficult to break through. This allows you to maintain natural light and curb appeal without sacrificing security. Better fit and tighter seals. Over time, doors can shift out of alignment due to foundation settling, something not uncommon in parts of Dallas. Gaps around the door may weaken structural integrity and create security vulnerabilities. A new door replacement ensures a precise, secure fit within the opening. Tight weather stripping and compression seals not only improve energy efficiency but also eliminate weak points around the perimeter. A properly fitted door closes firmly and locks smoothly, reducing both security risks and drafts. Smart technology integration. Replacing your door also creates an opportunity to upgrade security technology. Many modern doors support smart locks with keypad or app access, video doorbell systems, reinforced peephole, security cameras. These additions give you greater control and visibility over who enters your home. Increased peace of mind for Dallas families. Security improvements aren't just about hardware, they're about confidence. Knowing your doors are reinforced, properly installed, and equipped with modern locking systems provides reassurance for you and your family. In Dallas neighborhoods where safety matters, upgrading your doors is a proactive step toward protecting what matters most. A smart investment in protection. Door replacement improves more than appearance. It strengthens your home's primary access points, deters potential intruders, and enhances overall safety. For Dallas homeowners looking to improve security while adding curb appeal and energy efficiency, replacing outdated doors is a practical and valuable investment, one that delivers protection and peace of mind every day.